Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check battery health on Android. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Battery life is something most like people think about, but what about the battery health? This is important for the long-term usability of your phone. Unlike the iPhone, Android device don't have a super easy way to check this. Battery health, the term battery life typically refers to how long the battery will last on charge. Battery health tells us how much the battery is deteriorating. Low battery health means the battery will perform worse, discharge faster, get warm, etc. So, how to check your battery health on your Android? If you check on the settings, there's an option to check the your battery health on your phone. You can only see the battery remaining, like the percentage of your battery and how long it will remain. So to check your battery health on Android, you can just use the code, and the code is, you can enter this code, 6456445. I'm sorry. So here's the code. And here's your charging and battery info. You can see your battery health is on MB06. As you can see in here, your battery health is good. So it means your battery health is on a good condition. So if there's something wrong about your battery health, the it will tells you. So simple, right? So that is how to check your battery health on Android. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.